Welcome. I guess I was not streaming the whole time. Let's restart this. So initially, at the start of the week, I had sent out, I mean, this was last night. I had sent out this analysis on the weekly time frame. So we're still respecting the weekly for value gap right here. Some of these key points, weekly for value gap, this volume imbalance, and then we swept the weekly low from 2 weeks ago and then previous week. So expecting this high to be taken, was already taken this morning. So daily time frame. So this is the daily time frame. I'm expecting this fair value gap right here to become an inversion or to possibly just close strongly inside of it so that these highs become vulnerable to us just running through them. And so yeah, today we're kind of waiting out. We've had a lot of expansion. We might not take a trade. However, if I do take a trade, this is what I'm interested in. So we've had a lot of expansion during London, Asia consolidated. And because of all of this movement we had, we're expecting kind of choppier conditions right now. So what I would look for first is a retracement down here, at least into the 15-minute. We want to be entering where there's a little bit more discount. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. And so what I would like to see is us come down to that 15-minute and then create an inversion and then continue higher. So that's preferably what I want to see. Otherwise, I'm not too interested in taking a trade. For gold, take a quick peek at it. So I'm still pretty bullish on here. So on this 4 hour and even on the daily now, we're kind of not wanting to go any lower. You see that right here, we just kind of bounced out of this area, swept Asia lows, created this breaker pattern. And something I'm interested in right now is kind of have a unicorn going right here. Otherwise, not too interested in chasing like price up. I would want to also see some kind of discount before entering. So yeah, those are the two things I'm watching right now. Kind of same idea for S&P over here. If we take out, or if we close up above this high, this fair value gap, then we're gonna take out these highs. So yeah, we just gotta be patient. Try not rush. Yeah, because we have a lot of built up liquidity down here. We don't want to just get in at these highs. Because obviously right here, I mean, you can see it. We're just dumping. So we'll see how that goes. Let me delete this. Probably delete the daily fair value gap just because it's kind of in the way if we're going to be executing. So we just got the 15-minute right here. Let's see if we trade down into it, create some opportunity for us. Looks like we have SMT. Yeah, I'm actually hoping we trade a little bit lower to this fair value gap. Yeah, we already inverted this right here. So probably take out at least these highs. Yeah, that's crazy. We kind of just wicked into here really quick. Took a little piece of liquidity. See what happens. Yeah, trading up through those highs, possibly. There you go. All it took was us sweeping into that 15-minute, and then IFEG. This is considered a low resistance liquidity run right here. I wouldn't say we're in low resistant conditions, but that was a low resistant run. Just a quick little one. See if we keep going off that. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. Pretty much called that play from the tee. So we'll see. See how the day develops. Kind of reacting off this CE right here. I wouldn't try getting long in these fair value apps right here. I mean, we're still respecting, but we just took Hive Day. Yeah, it's just not great. Not great conditions. If you guys are getting in here, you guys are welcome to ask questions. Looks like gold is kind of retracing. We do have a 15-minute fair value gap now, though. There's just not a whole lot of momentum in here, though. Like, you could just see we're kind of chopping around. Still expect the bias to play out, but makes me a little less interested if we're just you spent the last 20 minutes in here. We're a little weaker here now on ES. And Q took high day. ES might be keying off of this CE on the 4-hour. Yeah, some of these highs on gold right here could get taken out. So some major events we have this week. Wait, take this off. I'll just leave an orange folder on. We have FOMC meeting minutes. And then we have NFP. But we also have CES, which is like a normal event. It's not a federal event. That's just where they're showing like different technology. So AMD, NVIDIA, Apple, any of the big stocks on NASDAQ, they're all going to be there. So that could obviously stir up some volatility. And yeah, that's going on today, I think tomorrow. So we'll just have to see how that plays out. Yeah, still thinking these highs get taken. It's barely Monday. Kind of expected when you have some of these larger events such as FOMC, CPI. Sometimes earlier in the week, you're actually going to see expansion before those events come. So that's what this was today. So yeah, we'll see. Yeah, honestly, I'm thinking of ending the stream early today. There's just not a whole lot going on where I could say I have heavy conviction that we could capitalize on. So yeah, it was gonna be this 15-minute down here. It just wasn't too clean for my liking, so gold's acting bullish against that 15-minute. Alright, I think I end the stream there. Be back Friday at least, maybe sooner.